Hello everyone, welcome back. This is going to be our third lesson, and this is going to be a short version. It's going to be a short version of the lesson. So if you want the full length, you can check our website here, the free Java tutorial.000webhostapp.com for the full length videos. Today we're just going to do a short video. And today we're going to go over the method that comes with the object data type. So the object data type are the ones that start with the capital letter. For example, the string here that has an object data type string. And let me see what else we have in here that has an object data type. It looks like there's nothing else in here. So basically it's the string in this, but if you want to change, say like a boolean here has a primitive data type. If you want to change it to an object data type, you can put a B here, capital B, and that would make it an object data type. Same thing with well, for other things, for example, for character, if you just do CHAR, then that's a primitive type character. But if you want to change it to an object data type, you would have to make it into a character. And now it is an object data type. So I'm just gonna show you how to use the method that comes with the object data type. So the first thing we have is we have the myVar. MyVar is a string, so my variable is this is the value of myVar. I say my variable is myVar, right? So if I run this program, and here I'm just gonna ignore some of the things we did in the lesson 2, and I'm gonna go straight to the things that we want to cover in lesson 3. So basically, one of the things I want to cover today is this right here, and I think we briefly went through it in lesson 2 as well. We want to see where this V is coming from. So it says my character A is equal to V, and that's coming from here. Let me just put up this console down here so we can refer to it without switching back and forth. So this line here, my character A is printing this line here. And the question we have here is, how did the value V gets assigned to the variable A here? So we're gonna have to follow the variable A to see how it gets that value. So that variable A started out with a declaration, it's a character. And then we assign myVar dot char at 3 to the character A, which means we take myVar and we go to the third position in the string, and we take that character, we put it into the variable A. So we start out with position 0, 1, 2, 3. So position 3 is the letter V, and that's how the variable A gets the letter V, because we take position 3, we take the character at position 3, we assign it to the variable A, and then down here it gets printed. the value of A gets printed, and that's where we get the V from. So that's how you use this dot char at 3. Now to do this is very easy. You don't have to memorize it. All you have to do is, when you have a variable that is an object that has an object data type, or if you want to use the methods that come with it, you just have to type in the variable. So here I say a equal my var, and then I put a dot. As soon as you put the dot, the system will prompt you with a list of things that you can use. So if you go down this list, you see that there are all different functions that you can use. And the one that we use for this program is this one here. It's the char at. So I just double click here, and then here you pick an index of which index you want to use. So before we had it at 3, but now if I change it to 1, and then I run this program, and you can see that I get the letter Y. A is equal to Y now. And let's see where it gets that Y from, because my var is this string here, and I get the character at position 1. So remember, it starts with position 0 is the letter M, and position 1 is the letter Y. And it takes the letter Y, it puts it into the variable A, and that's how A gets the letter Y. You can do other things with the object data type methods. Some of the other methods you have is the to lowercase. So you can actually change this whole variable, my variable here, to lowercase. And then we put that into the variable B, and then it gets printed here. So it gets printed underneath here, and as you can see that B is my variable, but all converted to lowercase, and that's why the capital M here got converted to a small m down here. You see that my up here is capital M. This one has a lower m because it's converting the whole string to lowercase. In the next line here, C gets my var.length. So actually C is getting the length of the whole string. And over here it says C is 11. So let's count to see where the 11 is coming from. Let's count. The M is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And that's where we get the 11 from. So basically, again, if you want to use the methods that comes with the variable, all you have to do is put the variable name dot, and then the system prompt you with all these available functions or methods that you can use according to your need. In this case here, the one that we used was this one, the length, because we want to get the length of that variable, of that string variables. So all you do is double click on that, put in the semicolon, and there you have it. Alright everyone, so that's our lesson for today, is how to use the object data type method to do different things. In this case, we use it to get the character at a certain position in the string, or to convert the whole string to lower cases, or to get the length of the string. Thank you, everyone. I'll see you next time.